Hi friends, welcome to LKS Anatomy classes. How are you? I hope that everyone is fine. Today we are going to discuss about muscles of arm. Usually there are four muscles in the arm region, three muscles in the anterior aspect, and one muscle in the posterior aspect. Biceps brachii is one of the muscle of anterior aspect. Origin of biceps brachii. It has two heads, long head and short head. Long head arises from supraglenoid tubercle of scapula and short head arises from apex of coracoid process. You can see in the diagram, long head arises from the supraglenoid tubercle and short head arises from the tip of the coracoid process. It is inserted into the radial tuberosity of radius. You can see here, it's get inserted into the radial tuberosity. It is innervated by the musculocutaneous nerve and it acts as a powerful flexor of the forearm at the elbow joint and supinator of the forearm, accessory flexor of the arm at the glenohumeral joint. The second muscle is coracobrachialis, which is seen on anterior aspect. Origin of coracobrachialis, it is originated at the tip of coracoid process of the scapular bone. It's get inserted into the mid of shaft of humerus on the middle side. You can see in the diagram, it is originated at the tip of the coracoid process and get inserted into the middle side of shaft of humerus on the medial border. It is innervated by musculocutaneous nerve and the action of this is it's a flexor of the arm at the glenohumeral joint. The third muscle is brachialis. It's originated on the anterior aspect of humerus, anterolaterally and anteromedially, and adjacent intramuscular septum. You can see in the diagram, it originates anteromedially and anterolaterally on the shaft of humerus, and it gets inserted into the ulnar tuberosity. It gets inserted in the ulnar tuberosity. Innervation of this muscle is musculocutaneous nerve and a small portion of lateral part of radial nerve. It is a powerful flexor of the forearm at the elbow joint. The fourth muscle is triceps brachii, which is seen on the posterior aspect. It has three heads: long head, medial head, and lateral head. Long head arises from infraglenoid tubercle of scapula. You can see here. Long head arises from infraglenoid tubercle of scapula and medial head posterior surface of humerus obliquely. You can see here. It is the medial head and lateral head posterior surface of humerus. The posterior surface of humerus. It's get inserted into the superior surface of the olecranon fossa of the ulnar bone. It is inserted into the olecranon fossa. It is innervated by the radial nerve and action of this muscle is extension of the forearm at the elbow joint. Its long head can also extend and abduct the arm at the shoulder joint. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe. LKS Anatomy.